This is a 2-bed 1-bathroom apartment located in the La Salle Towers at 20 North Shore Boulevard. Starting at the entrance, there is a 2-door sliding closet on the immediate left. Straight ahead is a hallway that bends leftwards and rightwards. To the right is the kitchen and living room. The kitchen with an island includes a white fridge, stainless steel sink, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Directly across from the kitchen is the living room. On the back wall, there are 3 large glass windows next to a sliding glass door that exits onto the balcony. Continuing left down the hallway leads to the bedrooms. On the right is the secondary bedroom. The bedroom features a sliding glass door on the back wall that exits onto a balcony. On the left wall there is a 2-door closet. Across from the secondary bedroom is the bathroom. There is a 2-door linen closet directly ahead of the entrance. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled bathtub, and shower. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Continuing straight down the hallway leads to the primary bedroom. Just prior to the primary bedroom on the right is a linen closet. The bedroom features 2 large windows next to a sliding glass door on the back wall that exits onto a balcony. There is a single-door closet and entrance to the bathroom on the left wall.